Welcome to the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder SL. The SL Pathfinder is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine and made it up to a CVT automatic transmission. Jumping into the interior of the Nissan Pathfinder, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory seating, vehicles equipped with traction control, as well as your heated steering wheel, blind spot monitoring, your power tailgate, tow mode, as well your leather steering wheel. Nice and warm. Vehicle has 52,147 kilometers on the odometer. Push button ignition. Vehicle is equipped with navigation as well. You do have the camera system for the 360 degrees view. We have dual zone climate control with heated seats. You have your 4x4 intelligent dial here as well. Two-wheel drive, auto, and lock. Vehicle has the two-tone interior, light tan and gray, and those leather heated Nissan Pathfinder seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Nissan Pathfinder, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Continental Crosstrek all-season tires. We have chrome accenting door handles. Vehicle is equipped with remote start. Coming to the front, you have LED daytime running lamps, fog lights up front, as well as the camera in the Nissan badge, chrome front grille. Making our way down the sides here, rear tinted privacy windows. At the back of the Nissan Pathfinder, we have rear parking sensors, trailer tow package, as well as your power tailgate and four-wheel drive SL badging. Jumping into the interior, we have the second row bench, 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated as well as car seat ready. Rear climate control, USB ports, and heated seat controls. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving us access to the third row. A 50/50 split as well folds down, giving you lots of trunk space. Over top, we have a dual panel sunroof for the rear, broken up with a single sunroof up front there as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.